Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Now let us discuss the phylum Hemichordata. The Hemichordata, half chordata means notochord, was earlier placed as subphylum Chordata, but now it is considered as a separate phylum under non-chordata. They possess a bilaterally symmetrical body and are divided into three subphylum. These are also called half chordates. This phylum consists of a small group of worm-like animals. Now let us discuss about some of the general features of Hemichordata. Some important general features of the phylum Hemichordata are: animals of this subphylum are all fossorial and their tunnels are U-shaped. Body is worm like brittle and soft and divided into three parts. One is proboscis, collar and trunk. The body wall has single layered epidermis. No dermis is present in these organisms. Body cavity is enterocolossus and that is divided into protocole, mesocole and metacole. Mostly ciliary feeders. Complete alimentary canal is present in the digestive system and this system is in straight U shape. They are exclusive marine and mostly live in burrows. They are bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic organisms. They have an organ system level of organization. There are soft bodied, cylindrical and unsegmented body and is divisible into proboscis, collar and trunk. The body cavity is true column. A true notochord is absent in these organisms. The body system is complete. Respiration occurs through several pairs of gill slits through the general body surface. Excretory system consists of proboscis glands. Circulatory system is open type in these organisms. The blood is colorless because with amoeboid corpuscles. The heart is situated dorsally and the skeleton tissue is absent and bones are also absent in these organisms. True notochord is also absent. A notochord like structure is found in the buccal cavity and that is called buccal diverticulum or stomochord, means outgrowth surface of gut. Post-anal tail is absent. And metamorphosis is direct or indirect because some animals have Tornaria larva just like Bipinnaria larva of Echinodermata in the developmental stage. Hemichordata is divided into classes like Enteropinusta, Balanoglossus means tongue worm or acron worm. The nerve system is primitive and consists mainly an intraepidermal nerve plexus. Sensory cells of the epidermis act as sense organs. Reproduction is mostly sexual. Sexes are separate. Development is indirect with the Tornaria larva. Moderate taxonomies do not include Hemichordata into Chordata phylum. Heyman 1959 kept in separate phylum Hemichordata in vertebrates. Hemichordata is connecting link between non-chordata and chordata. Now let us discuss the unique features of these organisms. Bilateral symmetry in the larva and radial symmetry in adult. Mesodermal endoskeleton of calcareous plate usually with spines. Modification of a part of the column in water vascular system for aid in locomotion. Characteristic tube feet for locomotion. Peculiar pedicellariae for cleaning the body surface. These are some of the unique features of this phylum.